Hi guys, today we're going to be crocheting Wesley the Whale. I'm super excited, so let's get started. For materials, you're going to need white and blue yarn, but you could honestly use whatever colors you want. Then you're going to need some scissors, and then of course you'll need your crochet hook. I used a 4mm, but you can use whatever size you want depending on what type of yarn you're using. And last, you'll need some fluff. Now that you've got your materials, we can get started. So you're going to start out using your blue yarn. So first you're going to do round 1, which is a magic ring with 6 single crochets inside. Once you've finished round 1, you're going to start on round 2. And for this round you're doing 6 increases. And it should look like this when you're done. And then you're going to start round 3. And for this round, you're doing 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then you're going to repeat that 6 times. And it should look like this now. Now you're going to start round 4. For this round, you're going to do 2 single crochets, and then 1 increase, and then repeat that 6 times. Now you're going to start rounds 5 through 7, and for the next 3 rounds you're going to do 24 single crochets in each round. Alright, and now you're going to be starting round 8. For this round you're going to do 1 single crochet, and then 1 slip stitch in the front loop of the next stitch. And then you're going to do 1 chain, 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, 1 more chain, and a slip stitch back into that same stitch. Then you're going to do another chain, and then you're going to do another half double crochet in the same stitch in the front loop, 1 more chain, and then slip stitch to the same stitch. And that is your tail. Then you're going to do 5 single crochets, and now you're going to be working on the arm. So you're going to do a slip stitch, a chain, a half double crochet, another chain, and then slip stitch back into the same stitch. And this is all in the front loop. And then you're going to be doing 11 single crochets. And now you're doing the second arm. So for this one, you're going to do a slip stitch, a chain, a half double crochet, another chain, and then slip stitch back into the original stitch, just like you did before. And again, this is all in the front loop. And then you're going to do 4 single crochets. And now your whale should look like this. And this was like the hardest part, so now the hardest part is over with, and the rest should be really easy. Alright, now you're going to be attaching safety eyes to your whale. And you can always use black embroidery thread if you want to use that rather than the safety eyes. I prefer the safety eyes though. And for the safety eyes, you're going to insert them between rows 7 and 8, about 6 stitches apart. Now you're going to be crocheting the belly of the whale, so attach your white yarn to your blue. Now you're going to be working in the back loop, and you're going to be doing 2 single crochets, and then an increase, and then repeat that 6 times. And now you're going to begin stuffing your whale. Now you're going to start round 10. And for this round, you're going to be doing 1 single crochet, and then 1 increase, and then repeat that 6 times. Now you're going to be starting the last row. So for round 11, you're going to be doing 6 decreases. And now for the last step, you're just going to slip stitch and then pull through the yarn. And now you can cut it and weave in the edges. And now your Wesley the Whale is finally finished! I hope you had fun watching this video and had fun making your own Wesley the Whale. Be sure to like and subscribe, and be sure to watch my other crochet videos. Bye!